In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Steam console. Whether you're a gamer aiming to troubleshoot, configure, or just curious about what more you can access via Steam, knowing how to open the Steam console can be incredibly useful. It's a fairly straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to ensure your Steam client is fully updated, as newer versions may have slight differences. Opening it up now, you may notice your Steam interface looks much like a storefront, but there's so much more happening under the hood. With Steam open and ready, the next step involves a simple command line change. Locate your Steam icon on the desktop or within your application directory. You'll want to right-click on that icon, and this will give you several options. Make sure to select Properties. It's within these properties that we'll make our next adjustment. Once in the Properties window, you'll see the Target or Shortcut field. Make sure that you're focusing on the right tab because that's where we'll enter a command that begins our journey to the hidden console. At the end of this line, yes, directly after the quotation marks, you'll want to type in console. Be careful here, ensure there's a space before the dash, and that it joins neatly to the line. Now, before applying these changes, take a moment to understand that this alteration doesn't impact the core functionality of Steam. It merely grants you access to another tool within the software. So, confidently click Apply, and then OK. Having made those tweaks, you're ready to open Steam again. Go ahead and double-click on your Steam icon as you normally would. Upon launching, you should now see a new tab labeled Console, next to your standard choices of Library or Store. Congratulations, you've now unlocked the console. Clicking on this tab will immerse you in a world where you can enter commands directly to your Steam client. Whether you're inputting specific launch options for a game, or troubleshooting minor issues, this space offers possibilities tailored for more advanced users. If at any point you decide you no longer need access to the console, simply reverse the steps by eliminating Console from the target field in its properties, clicking Apply, then OK. Your Steam setup will revert to its prior state. Knowing how to access the console can enhance your Steam experience, making it more versatile and tailored specifically to your gaming needs. Dive in and explore. It's a handy tool that broadens the scope of how you interact with Steam. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you find the console as useful as I do.